So, hey, family. I'm going to try this. My niece brought me this, Deborah. So, she brought me these little garlic crabs. They the blue crab. She ordered them from Walmart. I've been seeing them all on TikTok. So, I'm going to give it a try and let you guys know what I think. And she also got me some frozen red lobster cheddar baked biscuits. I'm only going to make a couple of those to see if it really tastes like the real deal or not. All right, so stay tuned. I'll let you know what I think. I was told to cook them on top of the stove, so we're going to give that a try. You better be quiet over there, Zoe. Look at Zoe, y'all. Excuse the mess. Yeah, she want to get out. Nobody got time to be fooling with her. Look at her. Those are some bags I need to put up. You see her? That's my coat hanging on the chair. Well, yeah, look at her. She mad. She want to come out. She don't turn her head. She don't want y'all looking at her. All right, let's get back to the food. Okay, so let's open them up and see what they look like. Oh, okay, you see the garlic butter up there and the blue crabs. Okay, I'm going to put it in the pot. Put it in the big pot. And let it all cook, and we're going to see what happens. All right. How many people like blue crabs? All right, let's give it a try. We're going to put it in the pot. I had this pot, but I may need a bigger pot. Let me see. So this is what it looks like. Little pieces of blue crabs. The little body. The little claws. Oh, yeah. There's the garlic butter. Everything's all frozen on there together. All right, we're going to let it cook. And I'll be back. I'll show you guys. Let's put the little garlic at the bottom. All right. This is what it looks like while it's cooking. The little garlic butter done melted, so it's cooking. It still looks like it can cook a little more. You see the color change from blue to orange, so it's almost ready. But this, I don't know. I'm going to let it cook a little bit more with the top on it. I forgot to show y'all when I put the biscuits in the oven. They are not even baked. It's like the dough. I just put mine on the parchment paper. I just put 4 in there. It's 8 came in a pack. So let's see how they come out. They said they supposed to cook for, I think, 25 to 30 minutes. All right, let's put the timer on. Okay, it looks pretty good. It smells good. I wish y'all can smell it. It smells so delicious. All right, I think I'm going to take it off because it looked like the bodies is done. Because they look like they was a little frozen. So I was trying to let them cook. And the biscuits are expanding. Look at that. Oh, yeah. They come with this little pack. A little garlic butter seasoning. Supposed to put on top. Well, it might just be the seasoning there. I got butter, but we'll see. It is a powder in there. Don't worry about my little nails. I was practicing with the little press-ons. This is a powder in there, so I guess we mix that into the butter and we brush it on top of the biscuits. All right. Okay, so I melt the butter. That Zoe keeps sneezing. Maybe it's the seasoning from the crabs. I don't know. She keeps sneezing. So I'm going to put the little powder in there. I'm going to stir it up. Get it all off the spoon. All right, I'm gonna let it sit there so it can come all off the spoon. Okay, so then it says, why are you sneezing? Stop, Zoe. Keep jumping up. It says a half a teaspoon herb butter placed. Okay, you're supposed to put it on hot biscuits. Spoon or brush on. Okay. A teaspoon to a teaspoon and a half. That's what it says. All right. Okay, so I put a little bit in a bowl. I got some more left. I got that for the crab legs, and here's for the biscuit. So let's see. Oh, it's soft. Let's turn the camera around and give it a try. Okay, let's see. It smells good. Let's try one of the little legs. I probably should have got my scissors. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get my scissors because that's going to be all right. I'm going to eat the rest of those. Gotta get my little crab scissors. Yeah, I remember we had got these a long time ago. Those who know. Oh, you just cut the little shell? Okay. Oh, the meat is not as big like the snow crab meat. It looks like that. Let's see. Oh, okay, because the flavor's inside of the shell. Okay. You can taste the, what you call it. But how you supposed to get the meat out whole like you do the snow crabs? I guess you can't do that. But the meat inside is all seasoned though. Let's see. Let's try a piece of the body. Let's see. Let's try a biscuit while it's hot. We'll go back to that. Okay. Ah. It tastes just like the Red Lobster's biscuits. Ah. Oh my goodness. Look how hot it is. Can you see it smoking? Y'all need to try these. With a little butter. I'm glad I put enough butter on top. I think it was some left. Wait a minute. Let's see what we're gonna see. Oh yeah, it was a little left. Let's see if we can dip a little biscuit in there. You can slop it up like a biscuit. Okay. The bottom of the bowl had the little garlic seasoning. Oh yeah, I'm just gonna rub it. Oh, but these are really good though. Y'all should give these a try. Oh. Oh yeah. Okay, let's try it. Let's go back to the crab legs. Let's see. Oh. Look like the body, the meat comes out in big pieces. I want to make sure I don't fool on eat no shell. See how it looks? The meat is in there. Well, it comes out big pieces in the body. Okay, and it's sweet. There's a sweet taste to it. Okay. So if you like these blue crabs, you'll like that. Especially fooling with the body part. And then legs, we got to figure out how to work with those legs. But in the body, the pieces come out whole. Got a piece of shell in my mouth. Okay. And it tastes like the garlic butter seasoning. You can taste the flavor all through. All right. Now, I don't know if I will buy this again. When my niece bought it, wanted me to try it. Because it's a lot of work for these little bitty crabs. But for those who like the blue crabs, y'all might know how to eat them real fast. Me, I don't. I be wanting to watch out for shells. I don't be eating no shells. You know? But the meat is soft. Yep. Like I said, it has a sweet taste to it. And you can taste the flavor. The garlic flavor. That then cooked inside of the body. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. I think I can work with this. Just got to know how to eat it. Oh, okay. Let's try the bigger piece of the leg, the claw. Let's see what the meat like inside of there. Oh, that's how the meat is inside there. It's like the other piece. It's really soft. But you can see the flavor just coming out. Okay. I feel like I got a piece of shell in my mouth. I ain't gonna fool with that. But yeah, it's okay though. If you know how to eat these blue crabs, you'll like it. To me, I'm new to this. So I would probably stick with just the body part. Seems like the meat's come. Look how much juice is in there. You can see the flavor just all in there. Look at there. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, I think the body part is the part for me. The pieces come out bigger. Yeah, you can just put it down in that little garlic butter. Oh yeah. All right, family. So the biscuits is a win-win. The crab legs, it takes a little work. Not the crab legs, this is the garlic crab. These are the blue crabs in the garlic butter sauce. I'm sure you can take that sauce and put it on top of rice or something. I bet you that's good, huh? Biscuits is really good. All right, well, I want to come to you get this review. So that's my opinion. Let me know, have you tried these little cheddar baked biscuits at Walmart or the blue crab, the garlic butter blue crab? Let me know if you tried, okay? Leave me a comment in the back below. Let me know what you think. These biscuits are good. I'm gonna call my niece, see if she eat her biscuits. All right. See you in the next video. Hey family, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up the video, and I'll see you in the next video, okay? Thank you. Stay tuned.